Hi everyone! Today we're diving into the fascinating world of the law of attraction. Ever heard of it? This powerful concept simply states that attracts your thoughts and energy have the ability to shape your reality. So if you're seeking love, success, or happiness, this video is your guide to understanding and harnessing the law of attraction to manifest your desires. Let's get started. First, let's explore the science behind the law of attraction. Our thoughts have a profound impact on our reality. According to neuroscience, repetitive thoughts create neural pathways in the brain. Neuroplasticity allows us to change our brain structure by strengthening connections through repetition. When we think positive thoughts, we stimulate the production of neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which promote feelings of well-being and happiness. Everything in the universe is composed of energy vibrating at different frequencies. The law of attraction suggests that we can align our frequency with the experiences we want to manifest. For example, if we're seeking love, we can visualize and feel the emotions associated with being in a loving relationship. By doing so, we attract loving experiences into our lives. Visualization is a powerful tool for harnessing the law of attraction. To visualize effectively, start by getting clear on what you want to manifest. Next, associate positive emotions with your desired outcome. Feel the joy, excitement, and gratitude. Finally, visualize your desired outcome as if it has already happened. See it, feel it, and believe it. Consistency is key when it comes to visualization. The more you practice, the stronger the energy you'll create. You can use tools like vision boards, mental movies, or scripting and journaling to stay focused and motivated. Many successful people, including athletes, entrepreneurs, and artists, use visualization techniques to achieve their goals. They visualize their desired outcomes, whether it's winning a championship, closing a big deal, or creating a masterpiece. By aligning their thoughts, emotions, and actions with their goals, they increase their chances of success. Now let's look at some real-life success stories. A struggling artist who wanted to be recognized for his work created a vision board filled with images and affirmations of his dream life as a successful artist. Within a year, he was exhibiting his work in galleries across the country. A single woman who wanted to find her soulmate created a love list, a document filled with qualities, interests, and values she wanted in a partner. Within months, she met someone who checked all the boxes on her list. A person who had been battling illness and negative health beliefs began to visualize and affirm daily that they were healthy and full of vitality. Within a few weeks, they experienced a significant improvement in their health and well-being. Remember, the law of attraction is a powerful tool for creating the life you desire. By understanding the science, practicing visualization, and adopting a positive mindset, you can manifest love, success, and happiness. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're ready to start manifesting your dreams, take small but consistent actions. Begin with daily affirmations or a 5-minute visualization practice. Over time, you'll notice positive changes in your life. Remember, the universe responds to your vibration. Tune into your true desires and believe in your ability to manifest them. Thanks for watching, and until next time, may your vibrations be high and your manifestations be boundless.